Hello everyone, thanks for tuning in to KT Garage. In this video, I'm going to show you guys a design problem on the late model F250, and this might have been on the F150 as well. I'm going to show you guys exactly what it is and how to fix it. In the back of your truck, there are these trims here that are designed to cover up a few bolts here, and there might be some other things that they want to cover up to make it look nice. Now guess what? There's a tiny little tab here that it's not even a bolt in here. It's a rivet that riveted in, and it's tucked in behind this mirror, and of course you can't remove this easily. Even if you get a new one of these, you really can't replace it. So, and they came off. I think it's like a while back, and this is a 2019. I think it came back. It came up maybe a year ago. I was just tired of dealing with it. Same thing on this side. So both sides, it came up like this. And while you're driving, it's just like flapping. So I'll show you guys how to get this handled. It's not perfect, but at least we're gonna keep it down, and you know, no one's gonna come up here and look at it anyway. So hopefully my method works. What I'm gonna do is I'll use this plastic bonder to just glue it in place. This is really good, guys. I've used this for many applications, and they dry in probably 15 to 20 minutes, and they hold really well in outdoor as well. So I highly recommend this for gluing plastics together. So I'm just gonna mix a batch, and then I'll show you guys where I'm gonna put it. I mix a batch of it. I'm gonna leave it for a minute to let it tacky. And in the meantime, I'm gonna use some alcohol, and I'm gonna wipe this clean so the glue will work well. I'm gonna just clean the other side as well, and then we're ready to put some glue on it. Well guys, here it is. Now this epoxy right here comes in black color as well. I just don't happen to have it with me. It probably looks a little bit nicer in black, but it's okay. It's up here, nobody's gonna see it. So now I'm just gonna let it dry overnight before I take out this tape, and that should do it. Well, I hope you guys find the video helpful. If you like the content, please like and subscribe. Thank you.